Hi YouTube, what's up? My name is Eddie and I'm living in the Philippines. In today's video, I'm going to show you few strategy for how to make money online by just watching YouTube videos and making full passive income. But before we get into that, if it's your first time to see my video, make sure subscribe to my channel because every day I'm uploading new content about online jobs. And please watch my online job playlist because there you can find some free apps, free websites and many more online jobs. So I don't want to waste your time and let's go back to my computer and I will show you this video strategy.
Okay my friend, the first way to make money online by just watching YouTube video is this website, tv2.com. You can watch and earn just by watching YouTube video, and I'm going to show you how to exactly do it. This is an open content platform designed for those who are looking for to combine them TV experience with personalized video streaming option. We all heard about premium platform, example like Netflix, Amazon and many others. But in order to view their content, you must pay a subscription. It's not for free. But however, with TV2 platform, user can access quality content online without any subscriptions fee. It's for free, and you can watch all your leading YouTube channels together with personalized video stream. So how this thing is work? How to do that? The first thing you are going to do is download the TV2 app in your smart TV, and then you download the app to your any smartphone, iOS, Apple or Android, no matter what. And then you are going to use the phone app. You open the app from your phone and you will scan the QR code from the TV. It will show you a QR code from the TV and you will scan that one with your phone, and that will sync your phone with the TV automatically. After this, all you're gonna do is sit back and earn your TTV, and every sponsored message you see in the video or app, you are rewarded bonus token now. That's good. You can also boost your earning by performing certain tasks that are offered by TV2. Okay, so how you get paid is how to get your money. Once you have collected 50,000 credits in the app, then click on the wallet icon in the bottom right corner and then click on request payout. Then next after that, you can send your tokens to any ERC20 compatible wallet. You can also watch them tutorial on them YouTube channel to TV2 YouTube channels. You go there and watch the tutorial about this. They are telling in the long video how to do that. So one wallet you can use is over at myetherwallet.com, or just transfer your coins to something like CoinRail or here in IDEX, then convert that to Bitcoin and have that sent to Coinbase. In Coinbase, you can convert your TTV coins or PayPal money, or you can also convert and send to your bank account. So this is the first great way to earn money online by just watching YouTube videos in your TV by a simple app, and anybody can do this. It's so easy and it's so simple. Okay my friend, the next way to make money online by just watching YouTube videos and earn $30 per hour or more is here. One of the example in rev.com. What they are doing in rev.com is captioning services for videos like YouTube or any, and it is a $1 per minute for captioning videos. And here in rev.com, they are paying you for 1 hour of work something like between $10 to $20. But however, you can make more money in Fiverr.com. Here in Fiverr, you can get services almost about anything, but you can also offer services. But don't worry, It's not that hard, and I will show you a really simple hack that will save you ton of times and keep you watching the video and typing the captions without you touching keyboard. Yes, if you look right here, this person will do the job for $5, after what she said. And if you open it, you will see what she mean. And she won $5 for 5 minutes video to caption, $30 for 30 minutes video to caption, and $60 for an hour video. So she won $1 per every minute of the video for her to be captioned that. Then the next person, if you open, she won also $5 for 5 minutes of the video, $20 for 30 minutes of video, and $45 for an hour video to caption. So she keep her price much lower to get more kilowatts. That's good. So how are you doing this? And why would someone need to caption for a video? Actually, YouTubers paying other people to do caption their video is simply because YouTube has automatic caption service that goes along with YouTube. But however, it's not 100% good and it's not 100% correct at all time. You can see the button down below this video, it says CC, and if you click on that, that is YouTube automatically captioning my video for me. But if some of the words are not completely correct and not 100% right, that's where YouTube kind of has that disconnect between YouTube and their actual search function, and that is so bad. Your video is totally dead. So if somebody is searching for example, my video is how to make money online, but I have a really bad accent and it is hard to understand, then what's gonna happen is it may not say how to make money online. It may have a completely different caption, and because of that my video not gonna rank high in the searches for make money online. So nobody can see my video anymore, and I have no control of that if I don't caption the video myself or somebody captions it for me. As simple as that. So that's the number one reason why so many YouTubers are adding their own personal caption to their video. So let me show you how it is. You're going to edit section of the video, then you can go to subtitles, then write your caption for the video. So what you're gonna do is you need to access to that YouTube channel you wanna work with, or just type and send your note to that YouTuber, then he's the one who's gonna add that to his video. Now I will show you a simple hack that will make your job very easy. Just open Google Docs, then open a blank document, then click on Tools. After that, then click on Voice Typing. By the way, this part I'm saying is very important. So now what you're gonna do is bringing your microphone near to your speakers. Then click on microphone icon that here says click to speak. After that, play that video you wanna transcribe. This is the easiest way to do the job so fast without even typing, without even touching keyboard. And at the end, when it's finished, just one more time let the video play, then read your note, and if there is something wrong words, just edit that word. Maybe there is few words that are wrong, just edit them. So simple. It is so simple and fast. And then, however, if you found your client on Fiverr, then you're gonna send it to their email. Or maybe you found someone on YouTube that needed a caption for his or her video. Okay, now if you don't know how to find someone, so let me show you how to do that. For example, if the video has subtitles, it will be like this. There is a CC under the video, as you can see, and it is very effective for getting views. So you just search and check. Just do it by your own. In the YouTube, search the YouTubers whose video don't have caption, then give them offer. Like you send them an email and say, I can do this job for you, and it's gonna be very effective for your video to get more views. Then it's up to you, whatever you wanna say. Just do it by your own. It's up to you. And after that, offer them one free job. Example, like say, hey, you can send me one of your video and I will do it for you for free, so you can see my job. You will know better. And I think if you wanna get many clients, you better keep your price down, so they will get interesting for that. But it's up to you what you're gonna do. It's really totally up to you. That's it, guys. This is also a way to earn money on YouTube just by watching video. I hope my video was helpful, and don't forget subscribe to my channel for more content about how to make money online. I uploading everyday new video for you guys, so I can help you. And please watch my online job playlist, because there you can find some free websites, free apps, and many more online jobs that can help you how to make money online. And at the end, thanks for your time, and as always, never give up.